Welcome to my review of Strikingly, a website builder that promises to help you create a professional website in no time. Strikingly is designed with ease of use in mind, offering a drag-and-drop interface that caters to beginners and those who need a fast solution. Once you sign up and log into Strikingly, you're greeted with an intuitive dashboard that gives you access to all the tools you need to get started. The first thing you'll notice is the variety of templates available. Strikingly specializes in one-page websites, so most of their templates are designed to give your site a clean, modern, and visually appealing look. Whether you're creating a personal portfolio, business site, or landing page, you'll find options that cater to different industries. Customization is fairly straightforward. You can easily change text, images, and colors to match your brand, and Strikingly's editing tools allow for a high degree of flexibility while still keeping the process simple. However, if you're looking for advanced design options, you might find the platform a little limiting compared to more complex website builders. Point one standout feature of Strikingly is its mobile optimization. Every template is automatically optimized for mobile devices, which is crucial in today's digital landscape. This is great for those who want to ensure their website looks good on all screen sizes without doing extra work. The platform also offers e-commerce functionality. You can set up a basic online store with Strikingly, which includes options for product listings, payment integration, and shipping settings. However, if you need more advanced e-commerce features like multi-product catalogs or complex shipping rules, Strikingly might not be the best fit. Now, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. I also want to quickly mention the pricing structure. Strikingly offers a free plan with basic features, but for more advanced functionality, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. These plans are reasonably priced, but it's important to assess whether the extra features align with your needs. Overall, Strikingly is a solid choice for individuals or small businesses looking to build a simple, professional-looking website quickly. It's perfect for those who need a functional site without the complexity of more robust builders. However, if you require advanced customization or a more powerful e-commerce platform, you may want to explore other options. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on website builders and other tools.